Over here, what I like is that I'm explained what I'm doing. Like, you're not told like, okay, this is the formula for this. You have to first understand, and then you get to know what the formula is. They didn't explain it. We found out on our own. Like, we would figure it out on our own. It's not like the teacher just told you everything and then you just think of it like that. It basically, this way you just kind of remember everything. You don't forget it. It's like you've understood it, right? If you don't understand it, then it's not like you forget about it later.
Like the basic concepts of maths and science. Like first I thought that maths formulas are just something to memorize, but here teachers taught us how to think it logically and like get it. The one thing I thought that was very nice, that they were very friendly with us. So like we were not scared to ask questions. So most of the questions of maths and science was clear.
I didn't know the volume of three-dimensional shapes, so we did a session about it. We divided the shapes into nets, and then based on that we calculated the volume. Discussion on science and maths. So you never really discuss science or maths, it's mainly just concepts. So now we get to discuss the concepts, prove concepts, so that was it.